Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my makeup. But we're just going to try this out, okay? Oh, my eyebrows are so hairy right now. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Amanda if you're new here. My channel pretty much covers everything lifestyle, from fashion, beauty, fitness, to all different kinds of hauls. I don't know if you guys noticed, if you are new to my channel, I normally have like a pink screen right behind me here, but I decided to switch it up and I really want to know your guys' opinion. So let me know down in the comments below whether you're liking it. I want to know. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday makeup look. I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm not wearing any makeup right now, but I'm excited to be showing you guys this. I can do this in 5 minutes, but normally it takes me like 20. So let's just dive right in. First things first, I always take a little spoolie and just brush out my eyebrows. I know I've been talking about wanting to get my eyebrows microbladed for so long now. I don't know if you guys watched my video where I did mention that. I am annoyed because I have not gotten them microbladed yet, and I really need to because they have a mind of their own and they don't like to grow. I found someone in Miami and I think I'm gonna go with them. First things first, I do want to let you guys know that these are the products I'm currently using for my everyday makeup look, and the steps I do are what I do in my everyday makeup look. But I am in the middle of switching out primers, switching out foundations. I've been trying these out for a couple weeks now. I like some of them, but I'm just trying to give them some time to see what I really feel about them, you know? So for today's look, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha primer. What I did was I just kind of put it on my knuckle, and I put way too much, but then I'll take my hand, my fingers, and spread it out. Alright, so now that I'm all primed up, I am gonna go in and brush out my eyelash extensions. We just lost a few. Shoot. Oh no. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and this is the one I've been using for a really long time now. I really like this one. I'm gonna go in with my 3 favorite brushes. I'm gonna start with the base of my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in to the Nude Huda Beauty palette. I'm just gonna use the bare shade on the top left corner. I get a little weird here, okay? Now I take my Morphe palette out and I dip this same brush with the Huda Beauty shade on it, and I dip it inside of here. Now I have both 2 colors on this eyeshadow. I like a much lighter base because I feel like it opens up my eye and it just like looks best on me. So that's why I use a Huda Beauty shade. It's really light. And then to mix it with the Morphe palette, it kind of tones it down a little bit. If you guys don't know what this palette is, I'm pretty sure Ulta sells it right now. It's so freaking good. It looks disgusting because of all the times I've used it, as you can tell, but I love that one shade. I use it every single day. Now that I'm done with the base, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but I use it for my crease. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette and use the shade Secret in the Huda Beauty palette. I cannot speak. Take a little bit of that. And I'm gonna use this color right here and mix it just a little bit with the top right color as well. Ooh, before I forget, I almost forgot to add tape. I don't like too much of an intense look for my everyday makeup look, but that's one tip you guys will see in the end. So I'm just taking this and putting it in the crease a little bit. Now that I have that in my crease, I am going to go in with this Sephora brush that is the Pro Crease. And I use this brush. This is one of my favorite brushes ever. It's probably the largest eyeshadow brush that I use, and I use this to really just blend it out. So I'm going to dab this one into the shade on the top left that I originally used as a part of my base. So now that we are done with that part of my eyeshadow, I am going to remove these. Oh my god. It's not a super harsh line because once I put my face product on, it's not going to be super harsh, but I just like how clean it looks. I washed my beauty blender before I got started on this video, and Oh my god, it literally smells amazing. Now I just got my beauty blender all wet and we're gonna set that to the side because I'm gonna go in with my Milk foundation. I've been using this foundation for 3 to 4 weeks now and I like it. I'm still testing it out. It says it's the matte foundation, which is odd to me because I get super oily throughout the day and it's pretty obvious within an hour. So I'm still testing it out. I'm just gonna apply some. Oh! Okay, that was scary. Okay, I look a little crazy right now with the foundation dripping down my face, but I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M6, what is going on over here? Foundation brush. It is a super flat brush. Lately, I've really been loving Morphe products. I'm just being real with you guys. This is the amount of makeup I like to put on like my everyday basis when I have work. This is beyond what I need. I like to be fully covered. This is basically the same look I do for nighttime, except I'll like switch up the eyeshadow or maybe I'll use like a cream contour on my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Clearly this foundation is a lot of coverage. I like to be completely covered when I go to work. All right, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go in with my I went in with my NARS concealer. I am the shade Light 2 Vanilla. I don't even think that this is really my shade. I like to be a lot lighter under the eyes. We're just gonna pretend that it's my color. Okay, so now since I've applied my concealer, I go in with my Morphe Brightening Pink Powder. So my face looks super matte right now because I did just put a ton of powder on my face. So I like that, but trust me, it doesn't stay this matte for long. I am an oily kind of girl. Sometimes I like to take this thinner Morphe brush and just dab it into my powder. I'm using the Anastasia bronzer palette in color Cappuccino. I've been using this color for so long now. Okay, I put a little bit of too much powder here, so I'm just blending it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my brows. So as I said before in the beginning of this video, I really want to get my eyebrows microbladed. I've been wanting to do it for about like 2 years now. Comment down below if you guys have gotten them microbladed. I'm honestly just kind of scared, and everybody has their little thing that they don't like about them. My eyebrows is one of them, so comment down below. I'd love to know if you guys have your eyebrows microbladed. I'm just curious to know what your thoughts are on it. My eyebrows are so hairy right now. I really need to get these things waxed. My eyebrow girl is on vacation right now. She's not on vacation. She just got married. So she's not in, I think, until like a week from now. And I really need her back because my eyebrows are starting to look, they really look different when they like need to be done. It's crazy. Normally at this point, I will go in with my blush and use my Sephora blush brush. And I would use like these colors like this, literally just drag it along the way. But I think I'm gonna go in with my Nude 6 blush stick. because I did it the other day and it's super bright, but we're just gonna try this out, okay? And it comes with a little stick at the end that has a brush on it, which is super convenient. So this blush stick is really convenient for when you're on the go. I'm just gonna take this blush stick again and use like a really light shade over it. Now that I'm about done, I go in with this ginormous brush and I use the Benefit Hello Flawless powder in the shade Honey. I just feel like it helps set everything. I do need to go in with some highlighter, so I'm going to be using this Anastasia palette, this color up here and then Sunrise down here. And I always like to get my nose. And now to finish up the lip, I go in with my favorite color from Milani, which is 04. Alright, well this is the final look. This is my everyday makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. All products will be linked down below, brushes, everything. Oh, almost forgot to set my face. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe and Jeffree Star collab on setting spray. It smells like heaven. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already a part of the family. See you guys in my next one. Bye!